American Heinz tomato ketchup pouch packaging machine is manufactured by Shanghai Fubo Machine Company. Features 1. The section where the material contact is stainless steel as the body of machine is optional for complete or partial stainless steel, and all-out equipment have passed the CE standard. 2. Optional English or other languages screen display, easy and simple operation. 3. High sensitivity photoelectric color tracing and digital input of cutting position get more accuracy. 4. Packaging speed and length of bags can be set to some extent without further adjustment, and parts changing. Packaging speed and length of bags can be set to some extent without further adjustment, and parts changing. 5. Bag making, filling, sealing, cutting, counting can be achieved automatically and straightly. 6. Bag making equipment can be changed according to specific requirement of customers and products.